Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I'm Tish and I be Trouble. And if you're a returner, welcome back. Alright, it's Friday, which means we are getting shady with the Beauty Ninjas. This week was Alice Lynn's turn, and she chose burgundy and green and white. So I thought okay, story time. I thought I would break out the Gemini too, because it's got a burgundy and some amazing grains. However, when I opened it up, I got fuzzy stuff all over my palette. And I was so excited to use it. I was like, oh yeah, I'm going to use that. But I can't use it because it's fuzzy stuff on my palette. So I'm mad. And I'm throwing a fit. I'm throwing a tantrum. Because I can. So, what I did pull out was the Midnight Moth from Electrum Cosmetics. And the Conspiracy palette, which was Shane Dawson collaborating with Jeffree Star. So the colors I used were Nightfall, Nightshade, Lepidoptera, Nocturnal, and then I used this Moonlit shade right here, which is a green goldy shift. And I used the shade Luna, which was white, but it's also got a pink shift and a green shift. And we will be swatching. And then I couldn't help it. I had to break this out for the Ranch shade, because, yeah, why not? Alright. So, let's do some swatches. I didn't do that last time, and I was kind of disappointed. So, first I took this Nightfall shade, and I ran it in my inner corner and across my crease. Then I took this Nightshade and I blended it out a little bit. I took Lepidoptera and I ran it along my lash line. And then I blended it out with this Nocturnal shade. Then I took this Moonlit shade and I ran it across my eyelid. And then I took this Luna shade, which looked white in the pan, and I put it in my inner corner here and drug it down on my lower lash line. Then I took this Ranch shade from the Jeffree Star palette and I put it along my brow bone and kind of blended out the look. Here, let me zoom this in. You can see this a little bit better. Alright, so that is my look this week for my Getting Shady with the Beauty Ninjas. I hope you've enjoyed this. There's a playlist linked in the description box. Click on that. Go see what everybody else came up with. I've seen some of their looks. They're pretty good. So definitely go check them out. Send them some love. Give them a thumbs up. Leave a little comment. If you haven't been to their channels before, let them know I sent you. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. All of that good stuff is down below, as well as the playlist. Go check that out as well. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.